Namaste and welcome to Save Cows India channel. I am Rajesh Kishanpuria, founder and trustee of this initiative. Today we are on a mission to reconnect urban children with Gaushalas and through them with nature, culture and compassion. In a world where students are surrounded by screens more than soil, most of us are gradually losing touch with India's agricultural roots and our timeless relationship with cows, animals that have supported our civilization for thousands of years. That's why Save Cows India Charitable Trust invites your school to experience a whole new way of learning. Introducing first of its kind Gaushala Educational Excursions. These visits will give children a chance to discover Indian cow breeds, understand their environmental importance, and enjoy a beautiful day outdoors filled with joy and curiosity. In this excursion, students will meet indigenous desi cow breeds, learn how they differ from Jersey cows, know more about A1 and A2 milk, explore how cattle support our environment through biogas, learn more about sustainable farming and organic practices without fertilizers. Discover the science and benefits of Panchagavya. Experience the calming therapeutic effect of caring for cows. Connect school lessons with real-world sustainability. Finally, take part with selfie with cows, outdoor games, and a fun picnic. This is far more than a regular field trip. It's a experiential learning journey that perfectly aligns with NEP 2020, bringing together Indian knowledge systems, environmental understanding, and value-based education. Students will not just return with happy memories but with deep respect, awareness, and lifelong values. Bring education to life. Contact us for organizing a Gaushala excursion for your school. Our phone numbers and email IDs are in the description below. Beyond milk, beyond books, beyond boundaries. Experience the Gaushala where learning becomes an adventure. Thank you.